Hey guys, how would you like to connect your Instagram post to a website? Wouldn't that be awesome? Each of these posts could become a link to a different web page. Let me show you how using LinkInBio. So take a look here. Here's an example page that we've already built. Now you can see these are Instagram posts, and each one of these posts is linked to a web page. So this is very advantageous to you to drive massive Instagram traffic to other websites. So if you're trying to sell something, you have a store, like maybe a Shopify store, and you have a specific product that you want to push. So maybe you're selling purses and you have 5 different posts about that purse, different angles, different colors. You could link those directly to your buy page. Let me show you how. Give me 3 minutes and I'm going to show you how we do it. Okay guys, so let's build your Instagram shoppable feed. So take a look, log into your link in bio page and choose the project that you want to work in or create one. And in this case, I've already built one. So I'm going to go down and choose the project link. Now that we're in our project that we want to work on, so you can see up here, here's the URL that we're working on. Now click the create button, go down to Instagram feed. And what you want to do is connect your link in bio page to the Instagram page that you want to connect. So let's do that. And I'm going to connect to this page here. You may see a different menu at that point, but you'll work through it, give them the authentication code or password or whatever they're requesting. Now, after you've connected, there's going to be a new option here under your links, and it's called Instagram feed. So click on the Instagram feed, and now you're going to see the 9 latest posts from your Instagram page. And you'll notice that they're grayed out. So here's what we're going to do. So we're going to take the first post, we're going to click it or tap it, and you're going to assign a link to it. So I'm going to just assign it to a URL for the demo. So let's do that. Now I'm going to click on the next post, and I'm going to link this to another one. Okay, now I'm going to do one more just for the demo. So let's take a look. So now you'll notice that as we link them, they become colorized. So now you know that these 3 are linked. And now let's take a look at the actual page that we built. So you can see on the right that they've showed up in the preview. But now let's take a look at the actual web page. So this is the page you can see up here. Same URL. Let's refresh it. So there we go. Now look. 3 of our Instagram posts have been imported to the link in bio. Each one of these thumbnails is linked to the URL that you set it. So this is great because if you're doing e-commerce, you have a Shopify store or whatever, you have a website, you can link your post directly to the buy page. So take a look at this. So if I click this last one, I actually assigned it to a Shopify buy page. So when I click this link from my link in bio, it goes directly to my buy page. So this is super advantageous. It's a free feature and it's an easy way to build a free shoppable Instagram page. It's awesome. So now you can connect all of your posts to an outside website. So I know you can see the value of it, and I know you can see how awesome, and probably hopefully your mind is going, holy crap, this is amazing. I want to connect all my posts to different websites. So it's a great way to drive massive Instagram traffic. You can take your followers and really push them in a direction that you want to go. So it's a great way to send them to your blog, send them to certain posts, or to send them to specific videos. There's a lot of possibilities here. So anyways, go to LinKinBio.xyz, make sure you have your account, and take advantage of this free shoppable Instagram feed.